If you want to create a realistic wood material in Blender, first you need to create the new material. Now in the principal BSDF node, we're gonna set the roughness to 0.6 and we're gonna create a color ramp. And in the color ramp, we're gonna set the first color to around 0.3 in position, the first color, and the second color to around 0.6. This will be from a noise texture, and in the noise texture we're gonna press Ctrl T to create a mapping and texture coordinate node. And okay, so in the noise texture we're gonna set a scale of, I don't know, 2, around 2, and the detail we're gonna increase this value to 8. Now the roughness value we're gonna set to 1 and the distortion also 1. And in the mapping node we're gonna set the X value on scale to around 1.5 and the Y value to around 6 or 5. Okay, to give color we're gonna set the first value of the color ramp to a dark brown and the second color will be a light brown or maybe orange. To give realistic effect we're gonna create another color ramp and we're gonna create a bump node, and from the noise texture we're gonna connect to the color ramp and the color to height factor of the bump node and the normal to normal. In the strength factor we're gonna set to 0.01 and the distance to 1, and we're gonna create another color ramp and this will be connected to a displacement node, and well, on the scale will be a 0.02, and we're gonna press the N key and the options and we're gonna set displacement and bump. Also you need to remember that bump and displacement node gives a realistic effect with respect of the light. If we increase the scale to a high value we're gonna damage the object, so you need to set a low value. And that's all.